Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to hide a note on your Notes app on Android, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to hide a note on your Notes app, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Notes app. And after opening your Notes app, you will then be able to see all the notes you've created, so just find the one that you want to hide. So let's say that this is the note that you want to hide, for example, so to do that, just long press it. And after long pressing, you will now be able to see the hide button right here, so just go and tap it. And after that, you will then need to enter your phone's password in order to ensure that it's really you that is trying to hide the notes on your phone. By the way, my screen turned black in this part since it's not allowed to show your password in screen recording for privacy. But you just need to enter your password, so I'm sure you already know what to do in this part. And after entering your phone password, next, you will then need to set up a password for your hidden notes section. Your hidden notes section will contain all the notes you have hidden, so you will need to set up a password for that section to make sure that it's only you who can access it. And once again guys, my screen turned black so I can't show you while I'm setting up my password, but I'm sure you already know how to set up a password, so just go and do it yourself. And after setting your password, your hidden section, which is where all your hidden notes will be saved, will now be created, and the notes you chose to hide earlier will also be added there automatically. And to open your hidden notes section, just swipe your screen upwards just like this. And after swiping, you will then be able to see this blue lock icon right here. Once you've seen it, you can now stop swiping. And after that, you will then be directed to the password section, so just enter the password of your hidden notes section to open it. And after entering your password, it's done. Congratulations, you will now see all the notes you've hidden. Though for my recording, it's only showing black screen once again since this is also a private page, so it's not allowed to screen record it, but in your case, you will be able to open it without a problem. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.